northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plainfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Joliet, Oldenburg, Romeoville, Mayfield, Rockport, Minnesota, Pollard Glen, Mokina, Lamont, Golf Park, Woodridge, Darien, Shorewood, Gooding Grove, Crest Hill, Crystal Lawns, and Fairmont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 5:30 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles northwest of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 5:15 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Midway Airport, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Berwyn, Stupney, Midway Airport, Burbank, Bridgeport, Forest View, Bedford Park, Englewood, Pine Park, Bridgeview, and South Chicago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Central Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 9 p.m. At 8:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winfield, or over lakes of the Four Seasons, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Marrowville, Valparaiso, Shearville, Hobart, Crown Point, Griffith, St. John, Chesterton, Lake Station, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Porter, Hebron, Burns Harbor, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Wheeler, Blue Grove, and South Haven. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11:45 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles east of Port Washington to 65 nautical miles southwest of Pleasant Prairie, moving southeast at 40 knots. Additional storms were also moving across southern Lake Michigan. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 10 p.m. At 9:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Richmond or near Twin Lakes, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Highland Park, McHenry, Vernon Hills, Zion, Grave Lake, Libertyville, Lake Forest, Round Lake, Antioch, Beach Park, Waconda, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Island Lake, Long Grove, and Park City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 67, effective until 5 a.m. Thursday, or 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McLean, Will, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 1:45 a.m. At 11:41 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles west of Montrose Harbor to 42 nautical miles south of Winthrop Harbor to 60 nautical miles south of Pleasant Prairie, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.